thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting strong.
This is Jeff Gabo. Ngayon naman, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-replace ng strut sa 2008 RAV4. So please watch this. Ito na yung strut natin na in front, left and right. So ito yung ating ikakabit doon sa ating RAV4. So ito yung problema niya. Yan, sira na. Talagang wala nang magawa natin. Kailangan na talagang palitan. So yeah, gusto nating palitan yan. At saka dito sa kabilang kanan, yeah, the same thing. Buto na rin, hindi na kayang ayusin pa. So tanggalan natin para mapalitan ng bago. So ayan, wala nang
A few moments later.
Una, center stand mo. You can put in the center stand first in that area. Okay, put a center stand. This one and this one, and then in the top, this one. Okay. Okay, remove this one. In the top, using by a quarter, now 14, using number 14. Ayan. That's a word.
Set my heart afire.
gonna be at the bottom to hold the strap. So yeah. Next. And now okay, this is the old one. I got it, and then this is the new one. I bought it, so again, I can show you how to install at the top. That one, there's a hole there. Okay. Okay. Manual again. That's very simple. The same thing what I did this strap, the same thing in there. So there's really bolts and hold the hose, and yeah, I'm good to go. It's very simple. Make sure you used number 14 inch for to remove on the top. So, and then make sure that so tight, hey? Yeah. Extension, because my hose is so small that cannot go through. Make sure that it's very tight, okay? Okay. Other side, make it sure you tight it. Okay. And then using this extension. Okay. Okay. Make sure make it like that one. This is very dangerous. So that's good. Yeah. And and the side also. You're gonna put the side also.
So done. Now down install. We can install the tire. All is perfect. New shock, and yeah, good to go. Install the tire. Thank you for watching my very simple tips, my AC garage. Hope you how to install and replace. So that's it for now. Thank you and have a good day.